Augers in at the bottom. Comes out of a 10 bushel hopper. 10 bushel hopper is fed from outside. Fill it up every 2 days. Direct vent exhaust to the outside. Turn the light because it's working. Ducting into the existing furnace. Lets the cold air return on the floor. Knock a hole through the wall. That was fun. The existing furnace, hot air pumps in where that line of screws is. Right here is a baffle. And when the heat turns on from the corn furnace, that baffle closes under pressure and it then pumps up into the house. Likewise on the corn furnace, when this furnace cycles, there's a baffle that closes. It's the basement of a 130-year-old farmhouse.